From the IATO 40th Convention in Puri, here's an exclusive interview with Srimati Pravti Parida, Deputy Chief Minister and Tourism Minister of Odisha, where she highlights the state's roadmap for tourism growth and its role in India's inbound tourism strategy. Here's what she said.
सर्वप्रथमे मो भाषा ओडिया भाषा रे आपण समस्तंकु ए पवित्र श्रीक्षेत्र रे ये धाम को आपण समस्तंकु स्वागत करूची। ये पवित्र धाम को आमे समस्ते विश्वास करूँ। हम लोग सौभाग्यशाली हैं कि आप लोगों का आतिथ्यता हम लोगों को मिली और आप लोग भी सौभाग्यशाली हो कि प्रभु ने आपको यहाँ बुलाया है। It is my great pleasure to address this August gathering at the IATO annual convention being held in Puri, one of the holiest and most vibrant cultural centers of India. On behalf of the people of Odisha, I extend our heartfelt greetings to the members of the Indian Association of Tour Operators and express our gratitude for choosing Odisha as the venue for this important meet. Puri, the sacred land of Lord Jagannath, is not just a spiritual capital, it is a gateway to the rich, diverse and untold stories of Odisha. Our temples, our art, our classical dance forms like Odissi, Chhau, our pristine beaches, the wildlife of Similpal and Bhitarkanika, the tribal cultures of Koraput and Kandhamal all form a unique tapestry that is both timeless and waiting to be discovered. Odisha is no longer just a pilgrimage destination. It is evolving into a complete tourism experience. Tourism is not just about travel. It is about transforming communities, creating jobs and building cultural bridges. Odisha is committed to making tourism a major pillar of its economy. Our target is 5 crore domestic और 7 लाख फॉरेन टूरिस्ट का एनुअल अराइवल यहाँ होना। इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर में आप लोगों को पता है, जब 1 साल पहले हम लोग स्टेट का एक प्लानिंग कर रहे थे, मेरे सेक्रेटरी बलवंत जी यहाँ हैं, हम लोगों को ऐसे पता लगा कि भुवनेश्वर ओडिशा मिलके 3600 रूम्स अवेलेबल कर सकते हैं और आज आप खुद 1200 कैपेसिटी का पूरी का होटल में आप लोग रुक रही हैं। मतलब हम लोग जो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर में पूरा उड़ीसा में 25,000 होटल की शुरू करना चाहते हैं। मुझे लगती है कि आज IATO की जरिए से ये शुभारंभ और आपके कॉन्फिडेंस कि ओडिशा विल बी द बेस्ट डेस्टिनेशन इसमें शुरू हो सके। इको टूरिज्म और कल्चरल हेरिटेज की 15 मास्टर डेस्टिनेशन का विकास ओडिशा करने जा रही है। वी इनवाइट द एंटायर ट्रैवल फ्रैटर्निटी to partner with us, to create memorable experiences, to tell stories that inspire and connect, and to take Odisha globally and the form of world. Yesterday, we have signed 3 MOUs with IIT Madras, National Institute of Water Sports, Goa and Light of Buddha Dharma Foundation International. With these 3 MOUs, we are aiming to strengthen our position in adventure tourism, spiritual and cultural tourism, and preserve of our heritage. Friends, We make a strategic investment in these few years in infrastructure from improving road, air connectivity to upgrading tourist amenities, sustainability through the ecotourism projects and heritage conservation, technology and promotion with the Orissa tourism website and global campaigns like India's best kept secret now changed to Think India, Think Odisha. Events and festivals such as the Konark Festival, Standard Festival, International Surfing Festival, Rath Jatra, Bali Jatra or the historic Bali Jatra in Cuttack, we believe that responsible and inclusive tourism is the way forward. The Indian Association of Tour Operators have played a critical role in promoting India as a premier travel destination globally. Your efforts directly contribute to shaping the image of our country and bringing the world closer to the soil of India. I invite you to partner with Odisha more deeply. Help us to curate new circuits, spiritual, coastal, Buddhist and ecotourism and tribal circuits. Help us reach international markets where Odisha's potential is still untapped. Help us train and uplift local communities so they become stakeholders in the tourism value chain. The development of Puri as a heritage city with the Sri Mandir Parikrama project enhancing pilgrim experience, the expansion of Bhubaneswar airport and the new airport planned for Puri will become shortly. Eco-retreat festival at beach and hill locations offering luxury glamping experiences. Policy support for homestays, adventure tourism and MICE tourism. We are also working on ease of doing business in tourism so that investing in Odisha is simple and rewarding. To all our operators and travel professionals present here, I invite you to explore Odisha not just as a product but as a living experience. Take it to the world, bring the world here. Let the IATO meet the Puri mark a new chapter of collaboration, innovation and promotion of incredible India and unforgettable Odisha. I congratulate IATO and Odisha Tourism for successful organizing this prestigious event. May your deliberation be fruitful and your experience here be memorable. Vande Utkal Janani, Jai Jagannath, Jai Hind.
You are watching Travel World Online.